how to edit your Instagram bio. So if you want to edit your Instagram bio, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and then you can simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you can go for edit profile, and under edit profile you will have this bio option. Tap on that bio, and then if you want to edit your bio, then you can simply remove that, and then you can add something new, and you can add some letters or special characters. And after writing your bio, now you can simply go for tick, which is on the upper right, and go back and then reload the page, and that's it. That's how you change your bio, or that's how you edit your bio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.